You found yourself looking for a burger. And where did that lead you? Unfortunately, right here. Today, we're gonna be doing what I consider to be like the ultimate griddle burger. You can use this as your hangover cure. You can use it as your last hurrah for 2021, because when this episode comes out, New Year's is right around the corner. If you wanna see just the ultimate, just guilty pleasure, all the things that we love on a burger, stick around, we're gonna walk you right through it. I'm Eric, this is Grillslingers. Let's get working. Gotta give, I didn't see that.
I did this, and then I did
Jesus. Oh, thanks for wrecking our buns, Richie.
They're in plastic, you can baby.
No, I'm serious, you just missed them. Why is there only, did we use one? First thing any burger needs, besides the patty, is a bun. So we're gonna get our buns toasted first. You can toast these dry, you can toast them with butter. What I've found is that toasting them with, thank you, Richie. Toasting with mayo actually is like one of the unspoken tricks that like no one really tells you about. But most of like your classic like most of your classic like burger diner restaurants are actually using mayo when they go to toast things like grilled cheeses, burger buns, things like that. It stands up better to the heat and it doesn't really burn. So we're gonna be using that. We've got Duke's mayo. So we're gonna go ahead and take the seal off first. You don't want a ton of this on there, you just want a little bit. Now here on my gas grill with my griddle setup, I've got most of my heat coming down the center here. So I'm gonna try to move these off a little bit because my ones in the middle are getting real toasty real quick. I'd say like that's about the color you're looking for right there.
Yeah, zoomed in.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a plate and a little bit of that action going. So we got our burger buns toasted. The next step here is some bacon. Oh, no bacon toss? So I like super thick bacon. That's thick. I usually like slow that down when that hits. You know what I'm saying? That's so I'll get this on there. Now I usually will cook my bacon in the oven, but we're on the griddle today, so we're doing it on the griddle. Otherwise it'd just feel like me putting it in the oven, and that's cool, but just put it on the griddle. So we'll cook this usually on the griddle. The times I've done it, this takes about like 15 minutes for it to cook. I like it extra crispy, cook it however you want, but we'll just kind of flip it through it's cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with a little seasoning. This is Lambert's. This is actually one of the first rubs I ever used. Got a little sweet smokiness to it. Not gonna put a ton, just a little bit for a little extra flavor. Okay, looks like our bacon's just about done here. I always kind of like to have a little bit of variety. I like to have the super crispy, almost black, to the more, you know, maybe tender. This way people I'm serving have options. You can kind of do it however you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. So let's go ahead and get some of the excess grease off our cooking surface here. And our next step is gonna be getting our patties rolling. So, hang tight, we'll bring the meat out and we'll get working on that. So I've got some 80-20 ground beef. This is grass-fed, organic, because I'm bougie like that. We're gonna take about a pound each, so we're gonna take about a quarter of that, and you wanna mash it up, kind of get it into a ball. So we're gonna take 2 bowls, and we're gonna take 2 bowls. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 of these meat balls.
What?
Why?
2 balls of meat. No balls? You don't want balls? So we're gonna take 2 of our separated portions here, and we're gonna go ahead and put it straight on the griddle. Let that one side get a little crispy. Take your seasoning, you can do salt, pepper, you can do whatever you want. We're using our Cali Gold here. We're gonna go ahead and just get one side of this, and we're gonna wait maybe about 30 seconds. Once we've had about 30 seconds, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this patty, flip it, and we're gonna smash. We're pretty much just gonna rinse and repeat here. Now, while we've got our burger patties going, I have some leftover carnitas that we made earlier this week. I want to put it on this burger because, again, this is guilty pleasure. So we're gonna just kind of stick this over in the corner. Just give me the greasiest burger ever, and I'm so excited. Cool. So our patties are pretty much good to go. So here's what we're gonna do. Our carnitas is already warmed up, and we are going to take an egg. Now these are happy eggs, so we got like a really colorful yolk coming on that. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that straight on the griddle. Cool. And we're gonna take one slice of Munster, which is my favorite cheese for a burger. Put that on that guy. And one slice of sharp cheddar.
Looks like that.
I mean, that's the idea. 2021 was that kind of year. This is the way to send it off. So let's grab one of our buns that's prepped from earlier. Okay, on the bottom we are gonna do a little bit of mayo. We're gonna do 2 pickles. These big thick boys, there we go. On the top we've got, this is a comeback sauce. Kind of like a burger sauce, but like with a ton more flavor. Natalie put this together a couple days ago, and it's one of the most favorite things that I've had. We're gonna put that all over the top. Cool. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for our egg to finish, we'll go ahead and go first patty down, second patty. Woo! That's hot. Down. Then we're gonna do 1 piece of bacon, break that in half, go like that. Take some of this carnitas here, straight on top, like that. And while we wait for our egg to finish here, okay, we're gonna dome our egg a little bit just to kind of trap some heat, get the actual egg white cooked up. All right, so our egg's done. Bun on top, and the award for most likely to give you a heart attack. Is that better?
Yes.
Sweet. I don't even know how to eat this, but I'm excited to. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the other burgers. So in the meantime, just hang tight, and we'll be back with you in just a few minutes. All right, so our burgers are done. We've got a patty, we've got the 2 slices of cheese, we got Munster and cheddar. We got the bacon on top, we got the carnitas, we got the fried egg, we got the comeback sauce in the bun. I'm going in for a bite. My yolk already popped here, so I'm gonna get a little dippage there. We're gonna go in.
Is it better eating it upside down?
That's fine.
I always eat my burgers upside down. Is that weird?
Yeah.
I mean, why would there be a right side up?
I don't know. Here, let me try it like that.
Which one tastes better?
Upside down.
Upside down tastes better?
Mm-hmm. We'll have the recipe. Well, not a recipe. We'll have the step-by-step walk. It's a burger, whatever. But we'll have the walkthrough and all the ingredients down below. If you like it, make sure to like, subscribe, comment below. You can dislike it, and we won't be able to see the total anymore. That's a new thing. But in other words, Happy New Year. Hope 2022 is great for you. From here, from Grillslingers and the rest of the team, I think. We'll see you next time. I don't know. Cut that out.